Hey there, Dave Gardner here, and I have a new product reveal. I just got the new LiveGood ordered shipped to me. It is December 29th. No, sorry, it's actually December 30th. 2 days left in 2024. Getting ready for 2025 with some even better products and some of the new ones and some of the old ones that I've been using before, had not had for a while, and I wanted to update and get another set of them. So here we go, without further ado. Try not to slice my fingers open. A couple things that I ordered. I think I ordered maybe 7 or 8 items. And so some of the old, we'll do the old new, and then the old first, then we'll get into the new. So the LiveGood Essential Aminos. If you're looking to obviously maintain muscle mass as you're going through your workouts, or maybe starting a diet for your New Year's resolution, essential aminos will be important for that. Now remember, amino acids aren't important only for muscle, but also for many, many other things throughout your body. A lot of metabolic activities, so on and so forth. Proteins are the things that create hormones. They create your enzymes. They, have responsible functions, obviously, to create antibodies. So obviously, going through the winter season, you want to stay healthy and have as much amino acids and proteins in your diet. So the essential amino acids, that's what I've used pretty much nonstop month in and month out since I joined LiveGood. Getting back on, it's been a while since I've had the reds and the greens. I'm gonna get back on the reds and greens. I usually mix them in with my shake in the morning. I usually do a protein shake in the morning, and then I add in the reds and greens powder. So the reds for cardiovascular health, circulation, sexual health, brain and cognitive function. The super greens for immune protection, energy recovery, stress support, and digestive health. So we'll keep these back here so we can actually see them all. We don't need the paper. Another one that I've been continuing to use is the collagen for multiple different things. Obviously, collagen also important for many functions, things like your hair, keratin, and nails, growth of other materials as well. So got the collagen there. We don't need the knife anymore. Now, the other 3 are new to me. One of them is, and has been out for a while. I had the other version, and now I got the brand new version, is the vanilla protein. It is organic, it is plant-based, and this is a complete plant-based protein. So plant proteins, and also includes some essential aminos. This one is vanilla flavor, 20 grams of protein per serving, and I believe there should be 30 servings. Let me just check. Yep, at the back, 1 scoop is 29.15 grams. Again, of that, 20 grams of it would be protein, but because there's other stuff in it, obviously it weighs a little more. So things like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D3, we got vitamin E, the B series, and a bunch of other things. So complete protein here. I look forward to testing this one out. I had tested the chocolate. I really like the taste of the chocolate. I like the original vanilla, and they just modified that a little bit. If you remember before, it used to come in a white can and was about 15 servings. This is actually 30 servings. So we got the vanilla protein, or plant-based organic protein. They threw in a little sticker, which they often do, especially when you buy a bunch of stuff. I have my order slip here. And then the other 2 are going to be, one of them again is new to me, but the other is a little bit old. Factor 4 for joint health. Okay, I've used that in the past, kind of ran out and was just using a regular fish oil. So I wanted to get back on that as well. It has multiple things: good for heart health, support joint and organ function, promoting your immune health, support healthy circulatory system, healthy circulation. The new one, I am going to be 50 this coming June. So I got about a half a year left. Okay, box is empty now. I got about a half a year until I turn June. So the last one here, Vitality, nice little cool name, box. Liven up your livelihood. Men's hormone support. So it says enhance lean muscle composition, boost energy and stamina, support healthy testosterone levels, promote healthy libido, and improve mood and mental clarity. This, I believe, is 60 capsules, actually 90 capsules, serving size 30. So I believe you take 3 per session. Yeah, so take 3 capsules daily with a glass of water or as directed by your healthcare professional. So there is also a women's health and women's hormonal support that has been out for a while as well. They just came out with the men's. Like I said, it is the end of December 2024. 2025 has a lot of promise with LiveGood as a company continuing to grow worldwide, globally, and providing lots of materials. One of the things that they are expanding into in the next coming weeks, they actually have 3 of the 4, but they had to fix one of them, and they were waiting for one to be shipped. One was by boat, I think, and others by land. Is they have a skincare line coming out with 4 products. I believe a moisturizer, a toner, and then the ageless, like a skin firming solution. And then there's some bronzer, I think, as well. That could be the 4. I believe they will have them individually, and they will also have them as a 4-pack in a reduced amount. Also coming out in 2025 is the healthy, non-toxic cleansers or cleaning products, and also a pet care line, along with sleep gummies, amongst many other products. So all you got to do, if you want to take a look at any one of these products and get $5 off your first order, all you got to do is look for the link below, or you can go to certifiedhealthproducts.com. Again, that is certifiedhealthproducts.com. And again, test them out. They all have a 90-day empty bottle guarantee. So if you go all the way through and you don't notice any benefit, or if you don't like the taste of it, or if it doesn't sit well, maybe you have a reaction to it, send it back. They will give you all of your money back. But like I said, if you want a discount on your first order, just click the link below or go to certifiedhealthproducts.com. Again, this has been Dave Gardner with some of the great products from LiveGood that they will ship worldwide. Obviously, in certain countries, they may block a couple products. So just make sure when you log in or you go to the link and you click on either the shop or products, you will see all the ones that are available to ship to you. Again, take care. This has been Dave Gardner. I look forward to your success with your health. And if you want, even in the business, there's other links below where you can find out how you can actually earn an income by promoting these same products to your friends, families, loved ones, or either some random stranger on the street or people from another country. Because again, it is a global industry. It is a global business. And I have teammates and members from around the world, and you can as well. So look forward to seeing your success in 2025. Take care.